All right. So now that you know what are command line arguments and how to accept them, let us write a simple program to accept numeric values in the command line and find the added result. Okay. So it is a simple, very simple example. Let us see how to write this program. So again, the arguments are passed through command line. So we should accept that in the main method or the main function. First one, anyway, is just to recap. First one is argument count, and second one is argument vector. So they are coming to you as strings. Remember that. Now they are not. Though you are supplying 20, it's actually a string 20, not number 20. Fine. So how to approach this? So the first thing is I'll just say declare a variable called sum. I will initialize it with 0. Now I need to go through all the arguments and then add it to the sum. Add each argument to the sum, variable sum. Fine. So for int I equal to 0, I is less than, here this argument count, I plus plus, sorry, this should be here. This is not C++, so I equal to 0, I is less than argument count, I plus plus. But note that the first argument is the source file name. It's not the number. So the first argument is the source file name. So we should not start from 0. We should instead start from 1. So instead of 0, let's start with 1. Now then rest of the things will remain the same. Now the second thing, the value that you are receiving is in the form of a string. So argv of I will give you the first string. So in order to convert the string to an integer, you can use the function called a to I. So that you need to add that to the sum. Sum equal to, sum plus equal to, you want to add the value to the sum, and the value is a to I, alphabet to integer, of argv of I. So you are converting the given argument to an integer value, and then you are adding that to the existing sum. That's all. Done. Now at the end of the loop, all the arguments will be added to the sum, and finally just say printf added result is %d and sum. That's it. We are done. Let us compile the program. gcc command line 2.c, but I want to give the different output file name. So -o, and I will give sum. Now you can see there is an executable with the name sum. So let's launch the executable sum. Okay, so you are launching the executable sum, and you are now supplying the values 10, 20, 30, right? So, and this is because sum is in the current directory. Just say /sum 10, 20, and 30, right? Now you can see added result is 60. In the next example, we will see how to slightly move deeper and try to copy a file from source file to destination, right? See you in the next lecture.